so Maverick back at the gas station, swapping this old girl back on E85. Check this out, you don't even have to pull the jugs out. Shebang. Oh my God. Well, ladies and gentlemen, who do we have here? There we go, DVP squad in the chat. All right, guys, so Maverick back at the gas station, swapping this old girl back on E85, making a trip to Maryland, and I'm gonna explain to you why here in just a second, but we gotta give Jake a little shout out, showed me this little trick. And in the trunk, if you go take out your air compressor, lay microfibers down, put your 2 VP jugs, you have perfect connections right here for, you know, this bungee cord, and you can set your E85 gallons in your trunk right side up, no leaks. So appreciate you, Jake, on that. How's the 85 looking? About $2.50 a gallon. Yuck. We are heading to Maryland. We're gonna go to Jake's tonight because tomorrow Staying Mode actually invited myself, Mike, Street Speed 717, and Jake out to an airport to go get some roll racing and dig racing done. I've been itching to get out and do some car stuff. So really excited to do this, and it's gonna be a good time. I've never met Mike. Met Staying Mode before. Him and I have collabed back in the day. If you remember, you remember. I'm gonna try to get some runs in against Mike's 10-speed and Staying Mode's 10-speed Dark Horse. Should be a pretty good run. I know Staying Mode car and I know Mike's car, they're stock. But I am going up against a 10R80, so I think it's gonna be a good comparison just because I'm gonna have to drive the shit out of this car. Leave your guess in the comments. How much is it gonna take to fill the car on E and those 2 jugs? I'm gonna say it's gonna take $65. That's my number. So to fill up the car, we are at $35. Now, the cool thing about this is, check this out, you don't even have to pull the jugs out. Shebang. Let's go ahead and set a like goal of 2,000 likes on this video. If we hit that like goal, I will go ahead and take a swig of E85 on film firsthand here on the channel. So make it happen for your boy. We're 2 jugs down, last one to go, and we are sitting at $51. I think we're going over our budget. If we hit 65 on the head, I'll be pretty impressed. We'll see. This is how well I know this car. I'm not even making this up, and I swear on everything, I put my guess in before I filmed this. We got 1 full jug of E85, 2 full jugs of E85, and I even spared a little because I just spilt it everywhere, hence why I pulled the microfiber out, but the car has a full tank as well, and we are at $65.58. I cannot believe I spilt that much E85 though. Imagine I drove off and forgot to cap these. Oh, jeez. Like legit drenched my shit. As many of you may know, sports are in full effect right now, and me personally, I'm more of a football fan. And that's why today we partnered with our friends over at DraftKings Sportsbook. And right now, new customers who bet just $5 on any wager will receive $150 worth of bonus bets instantly. Stay in the action and use your $150 worth of bonus bets on DraftKings. Same game parlays for a shot at an even bigger payout. And if you're already signed up on DraftKings, no problem. All customers can get a no sweat same game parlay or an SGPX. Get a bonus bet back if your bet doesn't hit. Max reward limits will apply. So make sure you go download the DraftKings Sportsbook app, link in the description, and when you sign up, use promo code DBP Squad, because if you just bet $5 on any wager, you're gonna receive $150 worth of bonus bets instantly. So download the DraftKings Sportsbook app, link in the description, and make sure you use that promo code DBP Squad. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-GAMBLER or 1-800-426-2537. And guys, please remember to gamble responsibly. Just like that, 3 hours later, Maverick's back in action. Funny thing is, Jake and I were actually just talking about, we went on the trip with this thing. I legit parked it in the garage after the tour. I still had trash in it before I left today. And I didn't drive the car, didn't wash the car, nothing. So this thing has seen nothing but road tripping. But right now, what are we about to do?
About to put the sticky ickies on.
We're about to put the sticky ickies. We have Apollo's Hoosier beadlock weld setup. Gonna look spicy as hell, especially with the white Hoosier lettering on, or complementing the car's color scheme, because this grabber blue does have the white pinstriping. So you might not get them back, just letting you know.
I don't blame you.
I'll PayPal you like 2K. But yeah, these are gonna look sick. It's gonna be for the roll racing, and I am gonna dig race the car tomorrow. These are gonna be good tires for digs without putting a lot of stress on the drivetrain on the Mach, because you guys know you don't really want to do it on a radial. You want something that has a little give.
This is the best manual car. That's the wrong tire.
Yeah, that's for
auto cars. Well, I mean, I did a Hoosier on this car because it's better out the hole.
But we're gonna slap these on and get to bed.
That's a big bitch.
Damn.
You chewed him up.
If actually there's no, oh my god, this one looks sick. When I get the ESS put on this car, which that's the summer or winter plan, after the ESS goes on the car, I am going to invest in a really nice wheel and tire setup for like roll racing and stuff with this car. I think I'm gonna try to stay away from the cheaper wheels. I do want a baller set like these welds with a bead lock and the ESS. It would just look so freaking good. Drop in the front. It's gonna look so fire. If anybody out there has a set of welds that, you know, you're trying to hook your boy up with.
Oh, wait, yours is lower too.
The rear fitment is going to be beautiful in the rear too. All right, no more sneak peeks. Let's we'll see you guys in a second. That looks so sick. Holy shit. Oh my god. Bro, tell me that doesn't look absolute gas. Oh my god, dude, look at that.
That does look insane.
Holy shit.
I think this might be the first Mach 1 I've seen with Hoosiers on it. I'm not even lying.
I think I'm gonna get the Hoosiers just because of the color scheme now. Dude, look how sick it is with the pinstripe. Oh man. Oh, back end.
You know what I think would go hard on this car?
Oh my god. Dude, that's fat.
Yeah.
That's bigger than Kim K. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what drag pack I should get on the Mach 1 once the ESS goes on, because we're gonna need it. We're gonna start off at about 670 wheel on 93. Then this will get a fuel system. We're gonna bump it up. Goal is 850 at the end of the day on this car, which is still really relatively safe. At that point, just kind of have to worry about the Tremec and not miss gears and screw up the synchros. Oh my god, dude, that just looks ridiculous. They're mine. But all right, we're gonna hit the hay. It's been a hell of a month, man. Hell of a month. We've done a lot of traveling, but see you guys in the morning.
Like
Mach 1 versus Street Speed. C8Z Raptor. Honestly, it's kind of a shame. Automatic, manual, automatic, automatic, automatic. Well, 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 ladies and gentlemen, who do we have here? Looks like Minion 5.0 is back again. Fresh MT82. You know, you can never keep this thing out of business. Damn, the car's clean. Do you wash it?
I did.
Ain't no shot, you're capping. When was the last time you washed it?
I don't know, Mustang Week.
You ready for VIR? And Dominion Raceway. On my birthday, December 16th, we actually have a charity lap day at one of the racetracks. We're gonna go to that, and then it just so happens that Sunday, the day after my birthday, another local racetrack is doing charity laps. So we're gonna have a fun little birthday bash, get together with everybody in their cars and go rip on the tracks, which I'm pretty excited about. You guys know, and if you didn't watch the video, I recently just did Atlanta Motorsports Park. It was absolutely amazing. It was super fun. Really got to feel out the Mach 1. So if you want to check out that video, there's a car that just popped up. We collabed with It's Just a 6. It was a pretty cool video, honestly. A really fun experience. And driveway is freaking stacked, man. I think they have absolutely every vehicle here. So you got Minion 5.0, then you got Stormy, you got Pam's Jeep, then you got Prometheus, you got the Yellow Splash, Electra, and the Focus ST. Oh my God, the Explorer ST.
If that pulled up outside your house, you'd think, oh no, a drug dealer is here.
Out of their fleet here, which car are you taking? And I got a feeling it's probably gonna be within the 3 Mustangs of Minion, the Yellow Splash, and Electra, but comment down below which one you're taking. I think I might take the Yellow Splash, which is kind of surprising because I'm an S197 guy, but you know, we're gonna pull this thing out, let Joel show off his new wheels and tires because it looks incredible. And yeah, I don't know, I'm really digging the Yellow Splash color scheme on these cars. I didn't tell you, hold on, let me pull up my photos real quick.
Oh, it was there when you got
Dude, no joke. We went out to grab something to eat that night, and I was like, dude, for the hell of it, just drive by the dealership. I guarantee you it's there because it's been so long. Yeah. He was like, dude, it's not there. I'm telling you, I've been driving past. I haven't seen anything. I was like, just go. Who cares? It's right down the road. How funny is that? It looks good, but the yellow is way better for sure. Like the red's clean and all, the race red, yep. But yeah, that fitment is butter. Oh yeah, she looks good. Damn.
You see way more of the brakes with these wheels.
Oh, they look sharp, no doubt about it. Yeah, that looks really good. And this is a Magna Ride car too, isn't it?
Yeah.
How in the hell? Oh, because they're 20s. That makes sense. I was going to say my 19s, they have a little gap. But yeah, the 20s with the Magna Ride look really good. So I have to go back to the house to set up the live stream stuff. And this is like amazing because Brandon is trying to convince Joel to let him take me home in the S650.
Look, it's blocking.
It is indeed blocking his car in. It is set up ready to rock. But now, how do we solve this?
Battle to the death.
I'm not fighting you.
I mean, you could do a fair and square rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It's a good wager. Look at him. He's itching.
There you go.
You're itching. Damn, he gave in. Let's go drift this bit. That sounds good. Is it? That sounds really good. Damn. Damn, brother. We're going to see what the old 24 feels like from the inside on an MT82 car. Wow, it actually sounds really good, dude. They may be a little slow, but with just the H-pipe factory catback exhaust that is the active with the quads, it sounds pretty good. Not bad, not bad. So we got the live stream all set up, about to go live in about 10 minutes, and we have some boys coming over. The plans were to live stream and install lowering springs on Tyler's Mach 1, but Tyler kind of bailed last second, literally, and now we're just winging it. So this ought to be interesting, but we have the computer set up, got everybody in here, and if you're interested in tapping into these lives and stuff, you can watch them ad-free. Over here, I have what I call my supporter board, and you might be able to tell we have members, and we are currently sitting at 33 members. These 33 people right here support the live streams by becoming a member. It's like a $5 fee each month, and it goes a long way. It's gonna help fund these future live streams. And then on this side of the board, every stream for whoever donates, they get written on the board. So if you wanna join and become a member, because as soon as we hit 100 members, I am doing a member-only giveaway on the original headlight from Maverick from when it was in its accident with the U-Haul truck. And you can see I even stamped it, signed it, and dated it. It makes a nice little garage ornament, and it, you know, it's pretty sweet because it's a little part of history and the struggles your boy went through. If you want to help me out that extra mile and hop on these live streams and support the channel, you can actually click the link in the description, become a member, and it truthfully goes a long way, and your name will be put on the board and you will be entered to win the Maverick headlight. All right, we got the boys here. We got the DBP squad on chat. There we go, DBP squad in the chat. Tyler's nowhere to be found, boys. What happened? What happened to Tyler?
Sold. What time did he start that job?
3:30.
3:30. It's crazy.
That is crazy.
He put it up for sale. It sold.
It's just Tyler.
I really,
Facts.
You probably forgot.
Facts.
I really think he's at home playing Fortnite right now.
Yeah, guys, so every Saturday, we do plan to bring these live streams back. As you can see, people are in chat, chopping it up with us, and this is kind of their view. So make sure you guys tap into the next one and follow me on Instagram. That's where I put all the updates. And if you haven't already, we have 2 videos that just popped up here on the screen. Feel free to go watch those in the meantime. But other than that, guys, much love. Peace.